What up, YouTube? So first, let me start by saying I apologize. I haven't put out a video in a little while. I've just been busy, and I kept recording clips and then not finishing it or forgetting my camera for the second part. So with that being said, today I am actually going to do the first photo shoot with the wagon with my buddy Vlad. You guys might know him as Zoomy. He's pretty big on Instagram. He does great photography work. So I had the wheels put on. I do have some clips with that of me putting the wheels on, you know, mounting and balance and all that good stuff, make sure the fit was good, rolling the fenders. We are on the way to his I think, no, we're not going to his house. We're going somewhere by him, some location he had found. So yeah, it's gonna be really dope, and I'm excited to see the pictures. He's so talented with that camera, and I'm sure you guys know if you've seen him on Instagram. He shoots for like Blacklist and stuff like that. Yeah, he's a really good photographer. Unfortunately, he's pretty far. He's like an hour and a half away, but I mean, it's no big deal because we're very close friends, as well as he buys a lot of shoes for me. So I have a pair of, I think, Yeezy 700s, the black ones. I can't really pronounce it, so I'm not gonna try. Still did not buy a holder for my camera for the car, but I did borrow an Anthony, who's holding the camera now. Yeah. So yeah, so we're gonna drop off the wheels, do a quick photo shoot, and you guys can finally see the reveal of how the wheels look on the car. I think it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna get right into that, and you'll see the other clips from a couple days ago at my buddy's shop, putting the wheels on and rolling the fenders, all that, right after this. Yeah. You're just gonna give me your condolences like that. Yeah, yeah. 110%. That's a lot of percent. there better be some jazz flute at some point in this video. I will have jazz flute at some point in this video. Good. Guaranteed. I'm never gonna give you up. I'm never ever gonna stop. Good, how are you? There's only a few dumb things you could possibly do when I'm around. And that's leave your keys up in the car. Uh-huh.
Oh my god, look at the drip. See it. Woo! Yo, these are sick.
Heat, fire. You just want to thank you for the heat that this man made. Crazy. Ow. Fire. You seen that? Do we have to go back? Crazy. Did you see that? Yo, Zumi's nasty with that camera, I'm telling you. Thank you guys for watching. I'm just going to wrap up this video with a little talking segment. Basically, I just want to talk about kind of why I stopped making videos for a couple days. Or a couple weeks, I should say. I kept recording videos, and like I would record them halfway and then stop. So like, for example, I got my wheels on, I did a video for that, and then I didn't record the ending. I went up north to get an alignment. I recorded half that video, recorded up there driving, me talking about how I like the car with the wheels on it now. And then when I got there, I totally disregarded my camera and didn't record anything. And I kept doing that nonstop. Every time I would like think of some good content, I would start recording. I'd record half of it, and then during the actual main event, I'd stop recording. So I don't know, I was just all over the place, forgetting to, and then it didn't help that I was already on a streak of not doing it. So yeah, unfortunately, I'm sorry for that. If you are subscribed and you do watch my videos, I know a couple of you have reached out to me about it, but ton of big news in store for now. So I'm going to be getting back to posting regularly as much as I can. I think I'm gonna get back to like every week. I should be able to. I got a couple ideas in mind for just content, videos and stuff like that, which it sucks because of all this COVID stuff. It's like hard to go do something or go record and, you know, have an event or something that's that'd be pleasing to watch, you know, besides just like the run-of-the-mill everyday stuff. So yeah, I should be getting back now into regularly posting. A couple big things that I do want to talk about as well. Upcoming in next month, the 19th, we're hosting an event, our first event with Fresh Meat Events. So this is going to be super cool. Like that. What was that? It's going to be super cool. I'm stoked about it. I don't know if this is, I feel like my face is black on the screen that I'm looking at. I don't know. Either way, hopefully you guys can hear audio, so that's really all that matters. So yeah, hosting an awesome event. It's going to be a car show, a b-boy battle, some food trucks. We're hosting the sneaker event, live graffiti battle. I mean, it's just so cool because it's all these things and all these cultures together, combining into one. And then for like a little idea of what we're doing, basically it's going to be in Showboat parking garage, and I think there's like 9 levels or so. And in the nine levels, the top level is going to be the VIP, so like the top quality pre-screened hand-picked cars are going to be on the top, and along with I believe some vendors. That's still kind of up in the air, but should be some vendors up there as well, not sneaker vendors, like, you know, regular vendors like selling their merchandise and selling car stuff. So that's going to be cool. And then right under that is going to be us, going to be the sneaker expo. So we're selling the tables now, getting those all filled out and stuff. It's going to be, I'm so excited. Like I know I'm probably like cheesing during the whole time I'm talking about this because I'm stoked. Like, and then under that is just going to be basically just then the rest of the car show. So the whole thing is going to be, the atmosphere is going to be crazy. There's going to be a ton of, you know, crazy cars in a parking garage, like real like Fast and the Furious kind of vibes, and then a sneaker expo, then a dance battle, like a b-boy battle, live graffiti, some art in there, along with then all the crazy food trucks. And like, I emphasize the food truck part because when you hear like food trucks, you're thinking like hamburgers, hot dogs, stuff like that. I mean, yeah, that stuff's going to be there too, but like the food trucks that come out are like dope. Like they have some of the coolest food trucks. I'm like, I don't want to give any of them away. I don't know if they've announced who's coming. I know some of them, a couple of them are my friends, and yeah, there's this one like street corn that I'm stoked about having. A buddy of mine owns a street corn business, and I never had it. And I never had it period, let alone his. I've never had street corn before in my life, and I always feel hyped about it, and I've had so many opportunities, but I really wanted to try his first because he's a buddy of mine. Everyone says his is like the one. So we never got around to, like, we were always in the same place a lot of times, but we never had an event where he had, you know, his food truck and then me there at the same time. It would just be like, you know, we went on for a cruise, or we you know, we went out and we were both in just our cars, so I never got to have it. So I'm stoked about that. That is like one of the biggest ones. But there's a ton of crazy food trucks that go out to these events. Like Fresh Meat was like known for having the banging food trucks. So once again, to wrap it all up, I just want to say I apologize. So thank you guys for sticking it out with me. I'm gonna get back into the video making. I gotta create more content. Yeah, and I really hope to see you guys July 19th. If you have any questions about that, just hit me up, drop a comment, I'll reach out to you, or hit me up on Instagram, something like that. If you want to be a vendor, if you want to be a part of the sneaker expo, any of that, any questions, and you want to be a part of it, you're like, yo, this looks really cool, I want in, then message me. Let's get you there. But thanks again, guys, for watching. The car looks so good. So thank you everyone who was a part of the process. Thank you to the guys doing my wheels, the guys doing my alignments, Barry from Premier Motorworks. You guys killed it. The car looks so good. I'm so happy with it. It rides really nice. No issues with it. The next video in line would be us getting ready for the event on July 19th, hosted by Fresh Meat Statement. That's all I gotta say. I'm done rambling. See you guys in the next video. Thank you again for watching. Thanks for sticking it out.